Bonjour, these are the grammar notes for Unit 3. We'll be looking at the present tense of our verbs and numbers from 20 to 100. You've already learned how to use ER verbs in the present tense. You will now learn another group of verbs that end in RE, called RE verbs. To use an RE verb in the present tense, use the following steps. First, remove the RE ending, and then add one of the following endings. If your subject is je, I, you will add an S. If your subject's tu, you'll add an S. If your subject is il, elle, on, you will add nothing. If your subject is nous, we, you will add ons. If your subject is vous, you formal, you will add ez. And if your subject is either il or elle, they masculine or they feminine, you will add an ent. So let's look at a verb, an RE verb, in all the different forms. Vendre means to sell. Okay, for je and tu, you see the ending is S. Je vends, tu vends. There is no ending added in the il, elle, on version. So you see for that form, you just take off the RE and you don't add anything. Il vend, elle vend, on vend. We sell, nous vendons. You formal sell, vous vendez. The EZ is pronounced like A. And for il and L, you will add an ENT ending whenever you write, but you will not pronounce that ENT. So it's pronounced il vend and elle vend. Next we have the numbers. And the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s all follow the same format. So to say like 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, you put the word and then the number 1. So 21, 21, 31, 31, 41, 41, 51, 51, and 61, 61. After that, you put the number, so for example 20, you'd put 20, then a hyphen, and then the next number. So for example, if you were saying 22, you'd say 22, 20-2. 33 would be 33. Okay, literally 30-3. Okay, and so on, all the way up to 9. So for example, 59 would be 59, and then you would go to 60. Okay, so you see, once you learn the numbers, up to 20, they pretty much repeat. 1 through 9 repeats with each of those. Now, once you get above that, you see 70, there's no new number for 70. It's 70, 60-10. And instead of using the numbers 1 through 9 here, you will use the numbers 11 through 19. So 71 is 60 and 11. 71. 60 or 72 is 60-12. 72. 73, 73, and so on. Okay, you see the number 80, 80, that's literally 420. 420s, because 4 times 20 is 80. And then for the 80s, it follows the numbers 1 through 9 again. So you have 81, 82, which is 82, and all the way up to 89, 89. Okay. For the 90s, you will use 10 through 19. So 90 is 90. 4, 20, 10. So 4 times 20 is 80 plus 10, 90. 91 is 80 and 11, or 91. 92, 92, literally 80-12. 99, 99, is literally 80, 19. And then 100 is 100. Okay, so for all those numbers, they all go the 1 through 9, except for the 70s and the 90s. Those ones use 10 through 19. Okay, and it may seem a little confusing at first, but once you work with the numbers more, you will get the hang of it. And if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to email me or give me a call at the number listed below. Okay, au revoir.